Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if anyone is watching me for the very first time. My name is Gauri and I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, I would like to tell you what actually Spitten is. So Spitten basically एक ऐप है जिसमें आपको for 199 रुपीज़ आपको 6 ट्रायल पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं, जिसमें आप अपनी चॉइस से कोई भी 6 प्रोडक्ट्स ले सकते हैं, लाइक 6 ट्रायल प्रोडक्ट्स ले सकते हैं. इट एक्चुअली डिपेंड ऑन यू कि आपको कौन सी ब्रांड का प्रोडक्ट लेना है. देर आर सो मेनी ब्रांड्स अवेलेबल लाइक मामा अर्थ, एम कैफीन, प्लम and Lakme, Maybelline and Faces Canada and so many other brands like these. So if you are interested, please keep on watching and please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also that bell button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Yeah, so this is the first box that I received from Spitten for the rupees 199, in which I chose this. This is the first product that I got. This is the Just Hub Lip and Cheek Tint. So this was for actually 5 trial points. So I got this one as the first product. The product looks something like this. I hope the camera can catches it. So yeah, this is in the shade Pale Pink 03, and this is how the bottle looks from within. Like this is actually a plastic bottle, and when I open this has a lid kind of a thing going on here. And let me just swatch it for you, like the shade, so that you can get an idea. Yeah, so this product actually retails for originally for 695 rupees, but I actually got it for rupees 50 only, if we can calculate it. And the second product I got is this nail paint. This is the Bonjour Paris One Stroke Nail Lacquer. Yeah, this was originally for rupees 95, but I got it for rupees 50 because I paid only 199 rupees for this whole box. So these were the two products that I actually chose from my side, because the lip tint was for 5 trial points and the nail paint was for 1 trial point. So this is how I completed my 6 trial points. And I have 2 more products in the same box. These are the 2 sheet masks that I received from Spitten. These were the free gifts. This is the Kaya Youth Hydrating Face Mask, and this is the Kaya Youth Soothing Face Mask. So these are the 2 sheet masks that I received. You can actually choose your gift according to your choices as well, because जो मुझे पहले प्रोडक्ट मिला था that was वहाँ पे ऑप्शन दिया था, मुझे एक्चुअली 4-5 ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल थे, out of which I chose these sheet masks. You can most definitely choose any one according to you. So yeah, here I complete my first box. This is the second box that I have. In this box I actually ordered 6 products for 1 trial point each. So these are the 2 products. This is the Aranya Skincare Natural. This is by Aranya Skincare Natural Nourishing Hair Conditioner and a Moisturizing Shampoo. So these are the 2 products. The shampoo is with Honey and Bringrash Damage Protection Shampoo, and the conditioner is with Methi Extract and Grapeseed Oil. So these are the 2 products that I got for 1 trial point each. And the next product I got is this Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. This is actually for combination and more of a oily acne prone skin, but I have more of a combination sensitive skin, so I'm not really looking forward to use it, but I will definitely ask any of my friend to use it and then tell me like how it was. And the next product I got is this VLCC charcoal peel off mask. VLCC, as you know, it is a very good brand and it actually retails for rupees 55, I guess. Yeah, it has written there on the rim. So yeah, this was the 4th product that I got. And the 5th product I got is this Sea Secret Natural Toning Mist. This is actually a toner and this is a very hydrating toner. I must say that I have used it a couple of times and this smells so good, like just like rose water, it hydrates your face. And the last product that I got in this box was this Organic Harvest Skin Conditioner Organic Serum Mask in the variant Lavender. Yeah, so this was the last product that I got in this box, and along with that I got a free gift, which is this Smitten leather pouch. This is actually a very good pouch. I must say that this is a very spacious bag so that you can use it for your traveling purposes. And yeah, so here I complete the second box, and then I actually have a very exciting thing to share with you. Like आप जो अपना referral code है, you can most definitely share it with any of your friends and family and other people. so that whenever they buy anything, you will get the referral cash, and out of which I actually redeemed that. So I received this yellow leather pouch. This is so beautiful, I tell you. I don't know if the camera can catches the actual color, but this is so vibrant, so beautiful pouch. And here I complete 3 of my boxes. Yeah, one more thing, I just want you guys to keep in mind कि जो delivery dates होती है Smitten पे, that might extend to 1 or 2 more days, because it might take 1 or 2 more days, because I've noticed कि मैंने जिस दिन पहला order अपना place किया था, it was on I guess 26 or somewhere around 26 I guess. So the delivery date जो मुझे show हो रही थी was of 30, but after the next day I checked the delivery date, so it was on 2nd of June. सो यू मस्ट कीप इन माइंड कि आपका 1-2 दिन का डिलीवरी डेट आगे पीछे हो सकता है, बट यू विल मोस्ट डेफिनेटली रिसीव योर पार्सल विद इन लाइक अ डे और 2 डिले, लाइक 1-2 दिन ही डिले होगा, उससे ज़्यादा डिले नहीं होगा. एंड प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इफ़ यू बाय एनीथिंग इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो, एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी अदर सजेशंस प्लीज़ ड्रॉप देम इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. सो गाइस, आपको सबसे पहले स्मिटन ऐप डाउनलोड करना है प्ले स्टोर से, एंड वंस यू आर डन इंस्टॉलिंग द ऐप, यू हैव टू साइन इन और साइन अप इन द ऐप. Then you have to fill all your details, like your birth date and your gender and every other detail that it asks, and then you have to select all your preferences, like I have chosen beauty and grooming, accessories, fragrances and makeup. Then you have to press the continue button. Then once you are done filling all the details, आपका मेन स्मिटन का पेज ओपन हो जाएगा, एंड यू कैन सी लाइक देयर आर सो मेनी ब्रांड्स अवेलेबल like Mamaearth, Plum and VLCC and so many other brands like these. Then you have to scroll a little, and once you see the discover all trials option, you have to click on that, and once you are done with that, you have to click on the grid option so that you can see all the trial available. You have to select all the products whichever you want to buy, and once you are done selecting the product, you have to go to the cart option, and you have to cross check whether all the products are added to the cart successfully or not. If yes, then you have to go to the free gift available option, and you have to choose the gift. Once you are done with that, you have to confirm the gift, and then you have to go to the proceed to payment option, and there will be 2 options available, that will be the cashback and the 6 trial point. You can choose according to you. If anyone is interested in downloading the app, we'll be mentioning the link in the description box below. Please check it out, and if you place an order, please let me know what you got. And yeah, see you in the next video.